Jones, this is the last little video on what you're going to do, for those of you that don't watch, first of all, welcome to SNG. If you've already subscribed, thank you. If you haven't, consider it. We get into some shenanigan type of stuff here. And long story short, if you don't watch old videos, took a 3,000-mile ride, lost some roller bearing, needle bearings, turned them into dust, went all through the engine, debating, asking people like yourselves, what would you do? A third of you would rebuild it, a third of you would replace it with a used motor, a third of you would clean it up. So there you go. Everyone has an opinion, right? And thank you for all your opinions. But what we figured out, we're going to tell you what we're going to do right or wrong. Jones has decided to what?
We're going to take it apart, completely split the cases, replace the bearings, everything that needs replaced. We'll check the pistons, see what we have to do there.
We'll check all the other things we don't even know we need to check.
Bingo.
Okay. We got a lot of input from some killer, top-notch, master Harley Davidson mechanics. And it's appreciated. First and foremost, we're not master mechanics. We have fun. We're saving a little bit of money. We have a passion for motorcycles. We've rode them for years. We've cosmetically wrenched on them for years, but we've never been into a motor. So this is I'm excited. I'm
glad you're excited about it. I was wishing it was somebody else's motor, but that's all right.
You know what? This is how you learn. Yeah. So for you master mechanics that we're not easily offended and our feelings aren't easily hurt. So throw it at us, man. You have any opinions or, like everybody else, let us know. We'll we'll do our best to see if we can get this thing going. I guess what we think is we tear it down, we look at how many parts we think really need to be changed. And here's some of our questions. Here's the hard part. It's like, hey, when lifter blocks are scored, or if they're loose, or, how loose is too loose? How loose is not, enough that you don't have to worry about? Those are the disadvantages that we have never doing this stuff, right? Yep. And the disadvantages that you would have if you did this. So, that's what we're lacking, that and probably half a dozen tools and exposure and experience. And does it scare you though? Right?
You made the comment the other day, and it's the same old, you can't beat a man in his own trade. Right. I do body work and paint. I've done it my whole life. You've done heating and air conditioning. Right. Can you do body work if I tell you how to do it? Can I do air conditioning work if you show me how to do it? Yeah. It's nuts and bolts, and yeah, we're probably going to make a few mistakes along the way. We got a manual. We got some good videos of the guy redoing a Evo motor, and you made the comment.
Pacific Mike, check him out if you don't already. He's a grand person that gives his knowledge for free, and check him out.
And you made the comment of it's nuts and bolts. Is it intimidating? Yes, it's intimidating. But put everything, because it's going to be a month or two before we get into this. All back together and everything, if not longer. So we're going to bag and tag everything.
We'll know more in a month than we do now.
Yeah.
If it comes up that he's going to, it's too much of a risk because of our lack of knowledge and the amount of money and parts he's going to have to put in this, we're going to call a buddy, and he's going to be right there with us. We'll build it in his shop. We've got a couple buddies that are master mechanics and do build bikes for a living. And we just choose not to give them a call until we're really in a jam. And hopefully we figure that stuff out before we're in the jam.
And we have enough common sense to know, hey, we're in a jam. Let's call somebody, have them help us. It's not like we're not going to put it all back together and go, oh my gosh, we didn't.
At least we hope not, right?
So
that's the end of this story. So what we're going to do, we're going to end this series I think it'll be a 4 or 5 part series, and it's ending with, we know what we're going to do now. You know, he'll still keep his eye out for a used motor. Maybe we find that total bike or that bike that's got 13K on it or that's sitting in somebody's garage, and we can pull that engine, put it in here, and then take our times rebuilding the engine that's in it. But we are gonna, our next segment is gonna be removing a Harley Davidson Evolution engine, and we'll probably get started on that one today too, after we shut this camera down. So enjoy your day. It's a hot one here and humid.
Yeah, when are we gonna get air in the garage?
Man, I'll tell you, sooner than later, I hope. It's getting bad.
We could use it today.
You turn the fans on, you can't hear. So, cool. Well, hey, have fun, enjoy your day. Peace.
We'll be in touch. All right, brother.